Okay, so hello to my tutorial. Um, I don't I don't really know. I don't really know how to shade like a professional. And to be honest, my shading style isn't exactly it's not really consistent. So, you know what? I will show you how I'm going to shade this boy right here. And I'm probably not going to be able to be a good whatever helpful source. But I'm only doing this because this is meme worthy and I like how disgusting this looks. That's why. So I'm gonna make a layer. What do I want to do? Well, I mean, since yeah, okay. So basically, I'm just going to. I think I'm gonna make a multiplier layer and have a bluish tint because vibrant shading or something like that. I don't know. Let's see. Can I select? There we go. Oopsies. Whoops. Okay, so basically, I'm planning to make him look more murderous than he already is. Uh, is pretty cool. But you guys already shade this way, so I mean, I'm not really showing you guys how to shade. The main part of this is to provide lighting, and that's what I'm going to do after I shade it. So yeah. Oh well, I mean, isn't shading part of lighting anyway? So I mean, technically, I'm still on topic. So sucky, sucky. Oh yeah, yeah. That looks, that looks very beautiful. I think I'm going to put red on the edges to make, or maybe I should do orange because it's an orange surface. Oh Jesus. I mean, yeah, yeah. Okay. Blur. Oh wait, that does not look good. Oh, that's airbrush. Big brain. Look how cute he is. Honestly, very cute. I wonder if I can make it more blue at the top. No. I'm just trying. I'm trying to make it look more distance, but I don't often use multiplier to shade much. But since this is like a layer I can't exactly mess with, since it's just all one. It's all one layer. I can't really do anything unless I want to edit the thing. And I mean, I could show you that way, but that's no one wants to do that anyway. So I mean, I guess I could show, but honestly, if you know these colors off the bat, you could probably just do it yourself. Wow, I'm so helpful. Wow, I'm asleep. Wow. And so I guess I'll add shading to the bottom bits. I mean, the shading thing is really simple. Like usually what I do is basically I mean, I could. Well, it's like on the sketch layer, I guess the rough draft progress. No, the rough draft step. I guess I think sometimes I do a separate layer where I just put lighting in it where I think the lighting should go, and then I line it up, and then when it comes to the final, I combine everything together. Oh no, that looks nah. He looks sunburned. Actually, hold up. Eh. Oh geez, he looks so burnt. Okay, cool. This is really hard to show when it's yellow. Or maybe I should make it blue instead for lighting. Oh jeez. Okay. Mm, nah. Nah, I don't like it. I don't like it. You know what? Nah. Nah. I don't like it. Yes. Delete. I mean, to be honest, it's not that bad. I guess I did too much darkening to the well, I did too much shading to the point you don't really need lighting. Well, hey, that's another way to do light. I guess I don't know. I'm not pro. I'm gonna cringe at this when I go over the recording so much. All I really wanted to do was meme this character just a little bit, but everyone was like, "Oh, do a tutorial," when I don't know jack. Huh? Hi, princess. By the way, all I'm doing is just adding a cool shade because I like cool colors. I forgot what it's called when you do this, but it's something. So, hey, hey, hey. This guy reminds me why I would never be a good teacher or a good YouTuber. Wow, it's impressive. I would have to have a script for this. It's horrible. Oh, that looks so bad. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna decorate them later. That's so wrong. I guess I'll duplicate this layer. Wait, can I, wow, I could have duplicated, I didn't know you could just right click. I'm so dumb. Okay. Okay. So, I suppose I don't know how I'm gonna like this because it's so freaking yellow. I mean, you know what? Yeah, I'll just go for it. I'll just start building stuff up. Okay, so the light, if it was coming from the computer, it probably would be blue-ish, whatever. Common sense, wow. Whoops, wrong layer. Does this work? Oh wait, no, not multiply. Widen? Well, that actually works. Okay. What if I put color dodge? Okay, how about no? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, see, that would look nice. Maybe if it wasn't so yellow. I would prefer it if it was uh, blue, like as if it was shining off of a computer or something. Heart light. Mm. Okay, you know what? Screw it. I think glow dodge is going to be our best bet. Bum, ba-da-da-dum, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay, so I guess that's glowed up and good stuff. Then we could probably shape this side a little bit if we wanted to and make it blue. I don't really know how you guys want me to explain this stuff because I don't know what I'm doing half the time when I'm drawing. So I don't I don't think my tutorials or would help anyone. You know? Plus I don't think the majority of the stuff I do is right anyway. But you see most pros be like, they would probably puke at what I do. You wrong thing. When should I? Should I just? Because I'm very tempted to just do so and keep the edge light there. But at the same time, this looks pretty cute. Maybe if I wait, is this the right layer? No, that's not the right layer. Up. Yes, there you are. Okay. I mean, I mean, it's pretty solid, I guess. I don't. Yeah. I mean, it's the light source looks like it's coming from over here more so. So I should probably you know it's not exactly accurate where my arrows are pointing because I wasn't exactly thinking of the errors errors. Jesus, the arrows when I was drawing. Haha. See, I'm not a very good artist. I know, but let's say it's coming in from the side remotely, and then bam, there. That's how I light. Uh, let's see if I can actually sketch something. We'll just do a little chibi head.
Okay, sketch, please. I'm not gonna focus more on this than I need to. Okay, I'm just going to provide the base colors, and I'm going to act like once again that the light is coming from down more, and do it correctly this time. Hopefully, I don't know. Okay, so basically, uh, let's say a yellow light was coming this way. So basically, the whole, the face would probably take on a more yellow uh tone if it was coming this way. And I mean, it kind of like if it's just coming from the sides, it would just basically just be a edge light at that point. Like it would just be like something like this, right? Just be a whole little edge shade thing. It would just be edge thing. But if I don't like how after I just changed the canvas, I read it. I mirrored it. This disgusting. Okay, whatever. So it would basically just be it would be it would be just on the edges if it's just either coming from like it behind it or like straight from sides. However, it's if it's like coming from in front, then the whole face would probably be illuminated would be illuminated uh this color. This is going to be really horrible looking, but yes. And if it's probably also going to be within the hair too. We'll worry about defining it later. I just, I cannot be bothered. I'm sleepy. But yes, it looks really funky now, but we'll define it later. But the hair, I'll just quickly maybe do something about it. Uh, boop boop. Boom, ba-dum, boom, ba-bum. Usually you can use the skin color and just blend it in with the hair. You just keep on uh blending and blending until you get a color, maybe like this. I don't know. Uh, take my hand. I mean, if yeah, okay. I'll do this. I'm gonna make it also come from the side because why not? What am I doing? No, 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 no. There we go. Let's keep it at that. Add more edge light. Maybe I should. How do they do that thing where they just? I don't know if that's possible, but nah, can't be me. Nah. Perhaps I'll add a little bit more color coming from this side. No, that's too much. Okay, that does it. You could probably also reflect that kind of light that's coming through either way, like this. Character can also have like a second highlight, like if the background, if the light was reflecting off of this background, it'd probably be something like this. Nah, that's not it. It'd be lighter. Its light is being reflected off. Show you guys one more thing. It's fantastic, but it's there. So you go in with your, maybe for you guys it's I think it's probably color dodge. Maybe you go on the edges of it and make it look uh like radiate it basically. I don't know, like it's hard to explain, but it makes it look, I guess, cooler when it shines like this. I need to make it because this is a little bit a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna have to erase a huge portion because I don't. That's a lot of shine. But yes, it do be looking gorgeous, though. Yes, we are done here. We are done. Um, and then I'm going to just from my dear my friend up here. I'm just going to make him more cursed because I it needs it's essential.